TLDV versus Fireflies AI. TLDV is designed mainly for Google Meet and Zoom, specializing in meeting recording, transcription, and timestamp highlights. It focuses on helping teams save time by skipping to the most important moments. So its pros: it offers timestamp highlights, making it easy to jump to key parts of a meeting. It also has a great integration with Google Meet and Zoom. It also offers shareable snippets and summaries for asynchronous collaboration, and it is affordable and offers a free tier with solid functionality. The downside is though, it has limited integration outside of Google and Zoom. It also has the AI summaries which are good but not as advanced as competitors, so it's best suited for smaller teams or startups. Now, Firefly's AI, on the other hand, is a more full-featured AI meeting assistant covering not only transcription but also meeting analytics, searchable notes, CRM workflow integrations. It works across a wide range of platforms, including Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Webex. So what's good about it is it supports multiple meeting platforms beyond Zoom and Meet. It is also AI powered with the transcriptions and summaries and the analytics. It also offers strong integrations with CRMs, project management, and productivity tools. The downside is the free tier is limited, and it can be overwhelming with too many features for casual users. And the transcription accuracy depends on the audio quality. So overall, if you want a simple, easy to use tool, then go with TLDV. But if you're looking for an everyday team and perfect, powerful AI meeting assistant with enterprise level integration, then go for Fireflies AI.